It's on me. When you hear someone say, it's on me, there are a couple different possible meanings. This could be very idiomatic. Here's the subject, this is the verb, and then here is a prepositional phrase. It functions as a complement, kind of like a subject complement, or just say complement to the subject. And then here's the verb be. This is an idiom that is used when talking about responsibility for something. It might be when accepting blame for a mistake. You can also use it when talking about paying money for something or for another person. If we go out to eat somewhere together and I say lunch is on me, this means that I'm going to pay for lunch. Lunch is on me, or it's on me. You can use this anytime you decide to pay for something or pay for something for another person. The next time we go out for lunch, lunch is on you. You pay the next time. The next time, lunch is on you. The check is on me. The check would be the bill, the list of expenses. Or instead of saying the check, just say it's. It's on me. Or if you're going out for coffee with another person, coffee is on me. I'm paying for the coffee. Or for drinks somewhere that could include coffee or other beverages, drinks are on me. We have to change this, of course, because of the plural. Drinks are on me. Or the next one is on me. You paid for this one. I'll pay for the next one. The next one is on me. It's on the house. The house in this case would be the place where you are eating. If it's a restaurant or a cafe, if it's on the house, then you don't have to pay. The business pays for you. It's on the house. Lunch is on the house, or your entree is on the house. This happens sometimes if there's a mistake made with an order, or if there's a reason to give something free, such as lunch. Lunch is on the house, or it's on the house. He made a mistake. That, this would be the mistake. That is, or that's, on him. This is the person who takes responsibility for the mistake. That's on him. You can change this pronoun to other pronouns. If you accept responsibility for the mistake, then that's on me. Or if it's a group of people, you can just say that's on them. Or if it's a company, you could just say that's on the company. The company made the mistake, and the company has to take responsibility. If it's a government that makes a mistake, then just say government. That's on the government. The government has to take responsibility for its mistake. This is the group responsible for the mistake, and this is the group that has to take responsibility. It is very common to hear someone say, "That's on me," when accepting responsibility for a mistake. You could say, this is a bit of slang, you could say simply, "My bad." This is a form of slang that is used when a person takes responsibility. "I made a mistake, my bad," or "That's on me." I think this can work for just about any situation. This is perhaps more difficult to use, but you will hear it. When putting pressure on a person to perform, especially in the area of sports, it's on, and then the person, and then here is the activity. It's all on, and then here's the person, here is the activity. Today is the final game of the World Cup. Two teams are competing, Spain and Argentina. You could put the star player's name here. Let's say we use Messi. It's on Messi to, and then here's the activity, to score a goal. As an example, it's on Messi to score a goal, or it's on Yamal to score a goal. Sometimes the word all goes right here. It's all on, and then the player, and then the activity. That's a lot of pressure, but sometimes the outcome of a game depends on a single player. If you liked the video, if it helped you, make sure to like it and subscribe to this channel. You could also consider becoming a member of this channel. That really helps support what I do here.